Salam ladies and gentlemen, this is Muhammad Tanvir Al-Baki with the Hussaini Channel, and today we've got ourselves a new Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for you and show you exactly how it looks and how it feels. So this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, a high-performance 8nm processor. And talking about the camera, we've got a 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's a quad camera. It's high-resolution primary plus ultra-wide angle plus macro depth lenses. The main feature is splash-proof nano coating that's waterproof, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. It's a transparent rubber cover. We're gonna keep that aside. We have our user guides. I'm sure nobody goes through this, so we're gonna keep this aside. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this a 33 watt fast charger in box. It's got a 5020 mAh type battery, a navigation system that's NAV IC India satellite, Type-C reversible connector, UFC 2.1 storage, plus LPDDR4X RAM side-mounted fingerprint sensor. We've got speaker over here, and we've got a 3.5mm audio jack over here, the charging port, the speaker, and I'm guessing that's the mic. Okay, we have a fingerprint scanner over here and the volume control. This here is the SIM slot. Let's turn it on and let's feel the magic, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the fingerprint scanner also is the power button. So this comes with an Android 10. We've got ourselves a trendy back cover / armor for our phone. I'm gonna go ahead and insert it here for you real quick. So always remember, safety is important. Okay, here we go, perfect fit. There you go. So you've got a stand, and your camera is protected. Now, earlier the phone used to stand on the camera, but now it's going to stand over here when you put it down. So that's why I always get an armor. The MIUI 11, life gets easier. I really like how the notch over here is, it's a punch hole notch, so you get a full display. It's huge. It's a huge display. So we have an option to select the color scheme, and if you know me well, I always go for the dark. The touch response is really good. The setup is complete, ladies and gentlemen. We are ready to rock. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the unboxing of the Redmi 9 Pro Max. I hope you liked it. If you did, do share our video with your friends and loved ones. And do subscribe to our channel for more awesomeness. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.